practice, discipline, hard work, repeat. I repeated it 4 times. So this video is inspired by this war crime on Pinterest. I thought, how fucking hard can this be? Walking out the supermarket with like an armful of cucumbers, like, I am doing a normal project. Keep your opinions to yourself. Just look up, type in on the internet, how to make cucumber sword, because I would have saved myself so long. I really went into this thinking this was gonna be so easy. Because in my brain, cucumbers are like a solid veg. They're a solid thing, but the thing is that they're not, and when you start hacking away at them to make a literal,
so bendy,
like the actual sword, you end up in a place where things get very wobbly, and it just kind of like, sword go, die. It's okay, it's okay. This is gonna be fine. He's a bit wobbly. Maybe I should cut him down up here first. This is how you banana your cucumber. You do what I do. You do it all precisely, and you measure it, and you take your time, and then you just start hacking. 1. You can literally see my last brain cell fighting for its fucking life. You just simply peel this gentle wheel. But no, as you're peeling into it, these things, they're soft, you know? So you're like cutting into it and you're like going in to the cucumber. But for the perfect peel, you have to go so thin. But when you type in how to banana a cucumber, it's just coming up with horrendous meals. Banana cucumber smoothie, weight loss. I'd rather just throw up. Because cucumbers release a lot of water, pairing them with the creamy binding texture of bananas creates a refreshing contrast. All I'm saying is that I might be the first video ever to banana a cucumber. There's a video, banana and cucumber give birth. What? Sorry? There's so many vile recipes. You think what I'm doing is bad. I really was not happy with the form of the banana cucumber. I started shaving everything at the end to try and save it. I was just like, this looks fucked up. It kind of reminds me of a corn, really. Like, I know that this is like how to banana your cucumber, but really it's just corn. Like, there's nothing exciting about this.
Success.
It's so easy, and I don't understand why it was difficult, but it was, okay? And if you try it, you're gonna be worse than me.